Let's go guys. First quarter exhibition game. 50 up. Salcedo 50 up versus Bagtong 40 up for the Christmas League of Barangay Bagtong Salcedo Eastern Samar. Let's go. First quarter. Standing at the center, number 32 Bagon of Salcedo 50 up and Efren Abod of Bagtong 40 up. First quarter. Okay, bulan Salcedo. May foul, counted. May kasama pang foul. Imong Upanda. Bonus free throw. Wala. Hindi na kompleto. Rebound by Laloy Bagon. To Circle View. Under the basket. Wala. Rebound by Efren Abod. To Sunny Bironggoy. Nagmamadali. To Amistad. Amistad. Pumasok. To Sunny Bironggoy. Yes. 4-2. Sunny Bironggoy 2 points. Edwin Navalorio. To Sir Kelvio. Back to Edwin. To Lumagbas. Pinasa kay Imong Upanda. Linabas kay Edwin. To Lumagbas. Tumira. Bandang kaliwa. Pasok na pasok. Lumagbas 2 points. Amistad. Pumasok. Natapik palabas ng Salcedo. Bagtong ball. Amistad to Noel Machika. Acrobatic jelly shot by Noel Machika. Edwin Abalorio to Sir Kelvio. Back to Edwin. Tumira si Lumagbas. Wala. Rebound by Noel. To Sunny Bironggoy. To Alday. Back to Sunny. Tumira. Lumabas. Putback by Efren Abod. Efren Abod 2 points. Abalorio. Tubagon. Nakuha ni Lumagbas. To Imong Panda. Pumihit. Edwin 3 points, wala. Naagaw ni Edwin. Latsas by Amistad. Lumagbas. Traveling. Amistad. Wearing number 16. To Efren Abod. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Na-rebound ni Amistad. Natapik. Bola ng Salcedo. Last touch Efren Abod. Number 0, kung di mo kilala, number la. To number 1. Back to number 0. To number 5. Number 32 of Salcedo, tumira. Wala. Rim out. Na-rebound ni Noel. Nakuha ni Bagon. To Sir Kelvio. Imong. Back to Sir Kelvio. Nice lucky bounce by Sir Kelvio. Parehas ang score. Amistad. To Efren. Sa gitna. To Noel. Acrobat shot. Na-rebound ni Sir. Na-rebound ni Bagon. Edwin to Sir Kelvio. Bola ng Bagtong. Sunny Boy, get inside. Pass to Alday. Alday, 3 seconds. By Noel Machika. Sir Kelvio, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni Imong. Amistad. Sunny nagpick. Alday, easy 2 points. by Nap Alday. Abalorio to Laloy to Imong, back to Laloy to Mera, wala. Amistad nagpapaagaw, stepping number 0. Noel nabitawan. Abalorio tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound ni Sir Kelvio, palpal. Inasa basket, may kasama pang foul. Unang tira, bonus shot, complete the 3 points play by Laloy Bagon. 40 up versus 50 up. Amistad 2 points. The score, 19 in favor of Bagtong 40 up. 3 minutes and 30 seconds, first quarter. Lumagbas, tumira ng 3, pasok, 3 points. Eric Lumagbas. Score 3 CGs in favor of Salcedo 50 up. Palos up by Edwin Abod Efren. Nice pass. Edwin Abalorio to Laloy Bagon. Close fight, very close fight ang laban. Efren bitawan, bola ng Salcedo. Abalorio to Sir Kelvio, back to Abalorio to Eric Lumagbas. Uulit, hindi na naulit. May foul na tawag. Foul Sir Kelvio. Amistad, pabandang tira, no problem, pasok na pasok. Sayang, may foul. Unang tira, pasok. Pangalawang tira, wala. Foul Noel Machika. Eric Lumagbas to Imong, tumira sa gitna, rim out. Rebound ni Eric, back to Imong, may foul. Efren Abod. Unang tira by Opanda, wala. Pangalawang tira, pasok.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes for the first quarter. Jili. Unang tira, basket. Pangalawang tira, wala. Na-rebound ni Nap Alday to Amistad. To Efren Abod. Sani Birongoy, pabanda. Put back by Amistad.
man.
May foul, Sunny. Time out, Fortis Bagtong. Pangalawang tira, pasok. Efren 3 points, wala.
45 seconds.
45 seconds, first quarter.
29 segundos.
Nap Alday, tapos.
Diecisiete segundos.
17.
May natapa 11.
Traveling.
11 segundos.
Last 11 seconds. Offensive foul. Amistad. Offensive foul. 11 seconds.
On first quarter.
Circle view.
For the next game. 8.
Jump ball. Last 5 seconds, first quarter. Time for the first quarter.
Now, first quarter. 17, 16. Favor 50 Salcido.
17-16 in favor of 50 Salcido. That's the end of first quarter.